What's up everyone, Tolos with you. Today I'm going to be sneezing on people. So we got some great reactions. Before you watch the video, please like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.
Go away from your face.
Ne geçti? Oh my days, man. The other guy knew, bro. Oh. I think they're still looking. Just keep recording them. I'm gonna tell them that that's water. I'm gonna tell them that that's water. ده بزواني لو من دي بس لو أنا ناس عملوه. Sorry brother. Sorry.
Oh, I'm really sorry. Did I sneeze on you? Oh. بيكا يا لوتم دردك يا ورا
أنا كل أمريكا Oh my god.
هات بدم
You're joking.
Sorry. Do better than do. Bro, she doesn't give a that's she.
Dirty.
I'm sorry.
Right, just see
I'm
it
really
all over
sorry.
your hand,
I'm
right?
really sorry.
Don't laugh.
I'm really sorry.
You are.
I'm really sorry. I didn't mean that. I'm sorry. I just got a bad flu today. I got a headache.
Really?
Sorry.
I've got a fucking
Sorry.
Ow. Cough. You dirty.
I'm sorry. I got a flu.
Dirty. Right. Dirty.
I got a bad flu. What can I say? Allah, you are naked. Oh, by the way, that's water. That's just water. That's just water. By the way, that's just water. It's not water.
Go away.
Yo, we should go, guys. Hi. That wasn't actually sneezing. That was actually water, by the way. Yeah, no, I didn't sneeze.
We thought it was acid.
We're just
so
video.
Be careful what
Oh
people
no,
think,
yeah,
You know?
yeah. I was sneezing. I didn't think it fit.
No, but it's like it was so much liquid. It's not okay.
Yeah, you didn't know it. You thought it was acid or something.
I
Really?
didn't even see anything. I saw you. Goes on
Yeah.
these days. You don't know.
I know. Sorry about that. Sorry to
alright,
make you
it's
feel
alright,
so weird.
It's alright.
It's just gonna be recorded on YouTube or something.
Yeah, it's for YouTube, mate. Yeah. High five, mate. See you later. Bye. This is the end. Hope you all enjoyed it. I got punched for you lot, so please make sure you subscribe to my channel, like my video, and comment for part 2. My brother's channel is in the descriptions below, so go over to his channel and subscribe to him. Click on my other pranks right here. As always, it's been a pleasure. Peace out.